do with from here down before we decide if we're just going to leave that, because this actually is the same color as that, or just very, very close to it. So I may just use that box. But let's see what else we have, because we've already filled in everything except deco. That one little piece wants to be up. Okay. Okay, so we'll hold out the deco. Remember, we also have these pieces to use, and I'm probably going to go ahead and just, out of all this, of these two, I like this doily piece better. So I'm going to put that. I like to put some sort of, since you got your full boxes here, I like to put a full box right down here. And because these don't fill up, you have to kind of look at it and size it on either side of these lines. I wish these lines weren't even here. It just makes it harder. But you know. What, Ella? Oh wait, was that way? I think it was that way. Okay. So I'm literally sizing, looking at the line and trying to kind of, with my eye, space it on, then go straight down to the bottom of the page the best I can. There. There we go. Nothing recognizable, darling. I have to remind that, just because of YouTube and there's strict rules about, you know, giving credit to this and that. He's a musician. He's going to be practicing, you know, things he knows in his head. But he can't while I am doing this. My office is next to his office, and his office is really a music room. So we have these kind of cool pieces here we could use maybe throughout the week to kind of highlight something. But I do like to have a focus on the following week. And the reason for that is just so I don't miss something. So I'm going to put that down here. And there we go. And the reason is because sometimes I'm so busy worried about, you know, forgetting something next week that I don't, I just need to get it written down. And that's the whole wonderful thing about written planners is just you get it off of mine and onto paper, and it just helps so much. So I do always have a place where I have next week. And usually it has to do with my daddy's doctor appointments. I just realized that is not straight. Urgh. Here's the other thing. I have uncolored nail polish. Not the best thing to do, y'all. It's not good to have colored nail polish when you are doing this. Yeah, that's close. Okay, so, let's see. What was next? What was I going to do next, y'all? What was it? Let me zoom in, for one thing, so that y'all can kind of see. Let me get my little, excuse me for the shaking. I'm going to zoom in so y'all can see some of this. It's very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. Isn't that gorgeous stuff, y'all? The artwork of it all. It's really, really pretty. Now we can zoom back out. Just look at just the trees, the Christmas trees at the bottom. Not Christmas trees, fir trees. Again, it could be Christmassy because of the colors, or it could just be, you know, it could be, you know, just, what am I trying to say? I'm sorry, y'all. It could be just, what am I trying to say? Wintry woodlandy. Yeah, like snowy winter. Like, see the little snowy woodland? And that's what I'm making it be. Okay, so you can do a couple of things here. You can use this other Monday, Wednesday, Friday and choose, do you want that to be, you know, workout, fitness this week? Or do you have any of the, I don't have them actually. Check off. I thought we had more, but I don't. I have one extra shield thing here, so that could be more decorative. And maybe that's what I'll use for the scripture of the week. We'll hold on to that. And then also, of course, the weekend banner. You gotta have your weekend banner. That's one of my favorite things to put on, y'all. Now, you can put the weekend banner up here, but when you have a full box that's that pretty, I don't like to do that. And because you've got plenty of extra space on the bottom washi sheet, that's where I like to put it. So I'm just gonna do that real quick. Hold on, let me switch that down. I'm going to put it, and you try to use the K as a centerpiece, because it generally is the center. I usually try to make sure it comes up a little. into the banner so that it kind of, destroys that line, So it just kind of